Looking for a new construction home in the Houston area, you might be wanting to maybe downsize, or maybe your first time home and you want to get into one of the most amazing communities anywhere in the Houston area. Look no further than Chesmar Homes in Meridiana, Manville, Texas. This incredibly, relatively new community has everything you need as far as amenity wise. It's got the Oasis Village, which has the lap pool, the luxury resort style pool, cafe, a gym, everything over there. And then a little bit further down the street, they have a lazy river and a wave pool. Super, super cool, super great amenities. All the schools are located out here from elementary to high school, all within the community itself. So yeah, that's Meridiana. Chesmar Homes, you can get into these homes for under $300,000. I know it's incredible to buy a, I don't know, I'm looking at one right now. It's 1446 square feet, 3-bedroom. And I've seen these at as low as 265, 275 right here in Meridiana. Yeah, I told you these are nice, and in Meridiana too, for under 300. I've seen some that are 265, 275 for 1,400 square foot. Nice home in Meridiana. You got to give me a call, James Potenza, your Houston New Home Realtor, representing your best interests, and the builder pays for the cost. I can get you the best possible deal on any of these Chesmar Homes in Meridiana. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.